My 9-to-5 job is gone, and this on-chain trading bot has become my primary source of income. AI wrote every line of its code. In this video, I'm opening up its live wallet and giving you the exact step-by-step guide to build your own. Right here on the screen, you can see every trade my system has made since it went live. And yes, this system lives directly on the blockchain because it only deals with decentralized platforms. Here's a quick overview of how it all works. Basically, it's the classic buy low, sell high strategy, but with a twist for the blockchain. The algorithm spots these profitable moments as soon as they appear, quickly calculates the potential profit and risk, and then immediately decides and executes the trade on its own. It sounds easy, but these chances disappear in just seconds, which is why only an algorithm can do this. A person simply wouldn't be fast enough. And the best part? The AI handled all the complicated coding. So even if you're new to crypto or have no programming experience, you can set this up just like I did. First off, if you haven't yet, install this browser add-on. As you can see, mine is already hooked up. If you're on a tablet or smartphone, just open the browser that's built into the app. Next, we copy the code. Then, open this website. All the links and details are in the video description below. Here, we need to make a new file. You can give it any name you want. I'll copy this code and paste it into the file. I've already tested it and run it through safety checks. After that, I'll go to the next tab and check the version number at the top. Usually it fills in automatically, but if not, just pick the right one from the drop-down. When everything is ready, click this button. Great! Once it's finished, go to this tab, open the little menu, and choose the add-on you installed. Then confirm the connection. If it connects okay, your account info and your balance will pop up right here. Awesome. Now we need to click here. A small fee for interacting will pop up. That's just how the blockchain works. You pay a tiny bit to get things on the cloud and to use any feature. I'll confirm it and let the operation finish. Perfect. Our system is uploaded and now the control panel is live. Before we move on, click here and look at this address. This is the owner's address. It has to match your address from the add-on. This means you are the only one who can control this trading system. It's a key security measure. Now the system needs money to work. For this demonstration, I'm putting in 2 Ethereum. From my tests, having 2 to 20 Ethereum gives the system enough to work with real opportunities. More money can allow for bigger trades, which means more profit. You need at least 1 Ethereum because smaller amounts often just get eaten by fees. And if even 1 Ethereum sounds like a lot, honestly, it might be better not to try this. My main bot runs on 10 Ethereum, but I'll show 2 in this example. Once the money shows up, refresh the page to make sure the balance is correct. Perfect. Everything is set. Time to start the system. Click Activate, confirm the fee, and wait for it to confirm. Done. It's running. At this point, you can shut down your computer and go about your day. The system will keep working on the blockchain, not on your computer. New transactions should start appearing in the Explorer every few hours. So I'll let it run for a bit and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So are you ready for this? Wow, this is pretty serious. This means that while I was gone, the system was making trades all by itself every few hours. All of them are shown right here in the Explorer. I'll zoom in on each one to show you the exact amounts. No delays, no glitches, it worked flawlessly. And now for the best part. Once you decide to stop and take out your initial funds plus the profit, you just click this withdraw button. Wait for the block to confirm, then refresh your wallet to check your balance. During this demo run, the bot's performance was great. This was a very successful start. Just a quick reminder before we finish. Everything in this video is for demonstration purposes. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and none of this should be taken as investment advice. I'm just showing you what I've tried with Web3. If you run into any trouble, my contact info is pinned in the description. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to start using this AI trading bot now. See you next time.